Please do not listen to this meditation if you're not in a safe place to close your eyes and fully relax. This is the Embryo Transfer IVF Meditation by Nicole Lang. As you're preparing for embryo transfer, congratulate yourself for making it this far in the IVF process and for taking time to pause and listen to this guided meditation. Whatever your path through IVF has been, making it to this stage is a huge accomplishment. You've cleared so many hurdles to get here. You've done so much. Making it to an embryo transfer is authentically celebration worthy. Be with that joy and hope when you can. It's real. Still, nothing is guaranteed here, and some big unknowns and hurdles remain. It's okay to acknowledge this reality too. Healthy thoughts and emotions are ones that are realistic and honored. It is healthy to take some time to be with all of your thoughts and feelings as they swirl and constantly change. Often IVF feels like your heart and mind are playing a physical, mental, emotional ping pong game. The excitement and hope at the possibility, the good news, the progress, and the worries and guardedness, the hard times and the unknown. Of course you feel it all. You're human. That is whole and healthy and, yes, complicated. Really trust this fact. Healthy emotions are realistic and worked with, not shoved down or denied. So let's take this time to simply be in this authentic moment, whatever is coming up here and now, starting with a breath. And take a moment to get comfortable. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. And now, starting at the very top of your head, feel it start to relax. Soften your forehead. Notice the areas around and behind your eyes, and release any tension you can. Breathe and release. Now wrap your attention around to the base of your skull. Relax the sides and back of your head. Let the back and the bottom of your head feel heavy. Now notice your ears, your mouth, and your jaw. And relax any tension here too. If it's comfortable to do so, tighten your mouth and your jaw for just a moment, and then let it release. Let your whole head start to feel calm as all of these muscles soften. Loosen your jaw a little more. Let your tongue relax inside your mouth. If your eyes aren't already closed and they're feeling heavy, let them close. And take another breath. Your mind has had to hold so much as you've navigated fertility challenges and IVF. But in this moment, everything is taken care of. You don't have to know any more than you do right now. Rest your mind and feel proud of how you've handled all the logistics, thoughts, and feelings along the way. You've landed right here in this calm, safe, supported moment. That's a wonderful thing. Moving on to your neck and shoulders, inhale and tighten them. And then exhale and let the tension go here too. Let your neck relax. Let your shoulders sink. Breathe in and exhale again. And feel your arms getting heavy. Feel your elbows, forearms, wrists, palms, and fingers. If it's comfortable, curl your hands into a tight fist for a moment. Then release and let them relax. Inhale. Exhale, and feel your arms just be. These arms have longed to hold a child. Maybe you've suffered pregnancy loss. Maybe you've never been pregnant. Whatever your story, it's okay. If you need any proof that you still have plenty of hope, look to the fact that you're here. You wouldn't be here without hope. That doesn't mean this is easy or that you have to feel positive or certain. Whatever you feel is a perfect reflection of every moment that has brought you to this tender moment. There's a quieter kind of hope here. And yes, possibility too. That's enough. Honoring this reality is beautiful. Moving into your chest, gently notice the expansion and contraction of your lungs. Notice the rise and the fall of your breath. Feel your upper, mid, and lower back expand as you breathe. Let your ribs stretch in every direction. Send your breath to your spine, strong yet flexible. Know that you are strong yet flexible too. Now breathe once more into your chest. And then breathe even deeper into your abdomen. A lot has had to happen within your body to get you to this moment. Whether your path has felt relatively smooth or way harder than you imagined, no matter what you had to let go of or adjust along the way, you're here. Each breath, each step has allowed you to arrive at this moment. Your breath will continue to take you forward into the next moments and next steps too. So simply be here with your breath. Breathe in and out. In and out. Your breath is a priceless tool. You can always come back to this awareness. Now imagine breathing down into your lower abdomen and pelvis. Breathe in light and love. Breathe out worries and pressure. Just for this little while, allow the pressure and worry to loosen or fall to the background. Not because you need to get rid of it, but because it's nice to give yourself a break. Small moments add up. And in this moment, you are safe. You have everything you need. You are as ready as you need to be. You have chosen to take this moment to be real and invite in peace and perspective. Remember, at the heart of IVF, beyond the hormones, scans, and procedures, this is about family and love. I'll say it again. This is about family and love. So take a moment and think about the love, support, and abundance you already have in your life. The people who love you, the people you love, things that give you joy, beloved pets, things that nourish your body and mind, things that make you smile and build you up. Remember, these are at the heart of you and your IVF and life. They're what you hope to share with your future child. And they will continue to be yours no matter how this IVF unfolds. There is abundance here. It is a powerful choice to notice abundance within a process that makes it all too easy to worry and focus on scarcity. It is a powerful choice to cultivate gratitude here, especially when times feel intense. These are things you control. Never forget that. You always have power, even at the brink of the unknowns of an embryo transfer and IVF. You still have power. And now, if it's comfortable to do so, move your hands so your fingers rest on your lower abdomen. Feel it rise and fall. Soften your backside. If you've done any shots there, send some extra gratitude and release any clench you might be holding there. Breathe in. And out. Soften and relax. And move down to your thighs. Let the tops and backs of them feel heavy. Move to your knees, feel them soften. Feel all the places where your legs are touching the surface you're sitting or lying on, and let yourself sink a little deeper. Relax your calves, front and back. Let your ankles feel loose. And finally, let your relaxation move into your feet. Breathe down between the bones and across the ligaments until your feet are soft and relaxed. Wiggle your toes, then curl them tightly for one breath. And release to let go of the final bit of what you can let go of right now. Feel both heavier and lighter from your head to your toes. Now repeat these mantras. It's like this now. Whatever I feel is whole, human, and perfect. There is nothing I need to conquer. There is nothing I need to change. I am complicated, perfect, and powerful. I put my energy into things I can control. I choose love and abundance. I choose authenticity. I am as ready as I need to be. As this meditation comes to an end, either in your mind or in real life, cross your arms over your chest and give yourself a hug or a reassuring pat on your shoulders. Remember that every breath and each moment will continue to move you forward. The music will continue to play. Take whatever time you need to come back to any idea that resonates with you. When you're ready, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, and know that you are perfectly prepared and ready for your embryo transfer and whatever unfolds.